But in this matter, Malad, I'm behind the bar for last 652 days, Malad.
82,
652 days, man.
652.
Evidence also recorded. But Malad, the issue is little bit different.
You have gone through the scan copies.
Yes.
Lordship, here in the cause list, LCR is not written, Lordship. I'm in division bench, Lordship, so I think it has not come, Lordship.
After,
In the first I am division bench, Lordship. It
after
is
some time,
sometime,
No, scan copy is available on.
it was available.
but it is not written here, Lordship. In the cause list, Lordship.
Oh, it is available. You go through it
Lordship, Monday, Lordship. Today I have
because
difficult.
on last date, some other additional public prosecutor sought time for going through the.
And Lordship
Sir,
directed it this to be
I
listed. on-
requested Lordship to on
27.
Monday, Lordship.
It's all right, Malad.
Okay, let it be on.
Malad.
Heard Mr. M.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. K.K. Das, learned additional public prosecutor, who submits that earlier this matter was looked after by another public prosecutor, namely K. Barshaw, and that he has not gone through the scanned copy of the trial court records and seeks some time to go through the trial court records. Scan copy of the trial court's records. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed on Mondays, on 10th
10th.
June 2024.
Much obliged.
Much of it. Yeah, it will be lost. Hello, item number.
So my friend starts finding item number 2 and 3, my lord, I have taken permission to assist the public prosecutor. Inform.
Both the case arises from same FIR. And in both the cases, Lordship, the petitioners are an interim.
Whether case diary has
Received.
arrived.
Received, Lordship.
And so far, first case, Lordship, is
First
concerned,
case means 1152.
my lord, that is 1152. Perhaps the petitioner did not appear before the IO, Lordship. And I leave it to your Lordship to consider the matter for further consideration that matter. So far, the second case is concerned, Lordship. The petitioners appear and statement has been recorded.
Where is the second case?
Prakash Agrawal.
No, in first case that who is the petitioner?
Madhurya Das. We instructed him to appear and.
Madhurya Das has not yet appeared as per the directions of
He has not appeared, Lordship.
whether he has appeared. If he has not appeared, your interim would be vacated.
My lord, that I leave it to your Lordship for consideration.
Now, what is your
As
prayer?
per Note dated, Lordship. 22/5/6, 24, he has not appeared.
Now, what is your prayer?
That
You have to make some prayer.
If your Lordship grant some time, Lordship, I'll give instruct him to appear, Lordship, at least 1 week time, Lordship, for that time.
No, why he has not
If
appeared?
he did not, Lordship, he do not appear within that time, Lordship, your Lordship, on the next day, Lordship, I will make prayer to reject it.
He was on interim, Lordship,
Yes.
8/5, but till 22/5, he has not appeared, Lordship.
My lord, as I informed, Lordship, he is suffering from some disease, Lordship.
What disease?
It is.
Now, if he is suffering from some ailment, you must be knowing.
Last date of entry is 6/6/24.
Long time,
Not
ago,
appeared.
yes, Lordship, admittedly, long time was given. But
Now, what is your prayer?
Lordship, as
whether
per-
you need his custodial interrogation.
but he is not cooperating, Lordship, at first instance, Lordship. He has not comply with the court's, honorable court's order, Lordship.
In fact, Lordship, it is purely a case.
The permission of the public prosecutor, if I may say, my lord. So far as bail is concerned, my lord, we know that this honorable court exercises its own discretion, my lord. But I will point out from the objections that I filed that
For Madhurya Das also you have filed objections.
yes, in both the cases.
Okay.
My lord, what has happened, my lord? This Coming Engineering is a firm which is registered in Arunachal Pradesh, Bhalakpur, and they have a registered office in Tinsukia. Now, whatever has happened, my lord, without going too much to the merits of the matter, my lord, some dues from the weaving department was due to Coming Enterprise. Now, the petitioner in the second case, my lord, Mr. Prakash Agarwala, he forging the signature of the informant, he took the checks from the department and he took the help of Madhurya Das, who is his, my lord, I do not know his domestic help or whatever, like they both stay in the same house. One employee and employer, my lord. He took the help of his employee Madhurya Das and they forged with forged signatures, forged document, they faked a Coming Enterprise new firm entity. They took the registration certificate, the trade license, the GST number, everything, and they opened an account with the bank. And this Madhurya Das was used by Prakash Agarwala to do the signatures because he was posed as a proprietor. And in Madhurya Das's petition himself, he says that he's a proprietor. My lord, these things I do not know because after the interim was granted, both the petitioners, people were sent to us to threaten us and with 10 lakhs of rupees, my lord, if I may say so, to withdraw the FIRs and that they will mutually settle. My lord, if they can come with money to me, my lord, to us, then I do not know from what angle manipulation has been done. And even whether the case diary also, I do not know. This bank, from the bank, we requested because we are the informant, because they do not divulge information about other people's account. But since we said that there is a police case going on and we need to file an application.
No, but it was from the bail order.
My lord, when
Interim
bail was granted, the bail went by what was said
The
in the
account
petition.
was your account.
Account was our account
Huh.
because the firm is my account. This account is a fake account opened by Madhurya Das in the name of the entity of
But
which
in
I am the
your
proprietor.
FIR, you has not mentioned so that
Ye-
this is a, in the FIR.
This FIR is
Where is the FIR?
My lord, FIR in page.
we came to know only after the FIR, after the investigation going on, we came to know. We did not know all this story that they opened an
No,
account, they
first page,
deposited the
page
money,
eight,
they encashed the check. We did not know this.
Who lost the FIR?
My lord,
Who are you? Sandeep Kumar Garodia.
yes, I
You are
am,
Sandeep Kumar Garodia.
yes, I-
You lost the FIR.
saying that they took the checks from the department. Thereafter, my lord, that they opened the account, Madhurya Das was in the picture, we did not know anything. Only when we persuaded with the police, we filed the FIR against the department also. How come the checks were issued like this without properly verifying signature? Then these things came out. The bank also cooperated, the police, from the police and from the department, we came to know that they have opened an account. Madhurya Das is also in the
Which
picture.
account?
This account,
Account
which-
number?
my lord, just now I gave that paper. This is the account opened by Madhurya Das. In this account, money has been deposited, and this is not Coming Engineering, the informant's account. This
no,
is another
the
company.
account opening form.
Yes,
Which account?
this is a fake account opened. by-
This is an account opening form only.
Yes,
My query is which account you are alleging to have there has to be an account number.
That coming, okay, this one.
What
it
is
will-
the account number?
My lord, if I may just give this paper.
No, no, don't give me paper. You,
Is the account number is there, my lord.
you.
Okay.
will
Okay, DWF.
Give it to her. What is the account number?
This is the account number. Uh, account number to put us.
Passbook or somewhere you will.
Here the IFS code, account number to put us. My lord, 719-760-6492.
6492. But in your FIR, you have stated that this account was opened by you, not, that is the allegation. That statement you have made in the FIR.
Huh?
And on that ground only, they were granted interim bail.
আমার তো SBI না Indian Bank.
You understand my
Yeah, I
query?
have understood the query,
If,
my lord.
because what you are alleging that it is a fake account opened by Madhurya.
My lord.
But in the FIR, you come to page
12.
11 and 11 last line. Considering the same, I, the undersigned so-and-so, opened a bank account number so-and-so. So where you are specifically stating that, categorically stating that this account has been opened by you. Then
My lord, my account is 319-546-57427 in SBI Tinsukia branch.
okay, that is okay. But this account which you are referring now, 7197606492, this account is also opened by you as per your own statement. And that was the ground why they were granted interim bail. In the bail order itself, it is specifically mentioned.
My lord, I'm just verifying the account number once again. Three one nine. 319. 546. My lord, FIR at page 12, the State Bank of India Tinsukia branch. Tinsukia branch, this account is the informant's account. But the account in which the money has been deposited,
Now, what is your response to the same para 12, page 12, first para, which starts from the last line of page 11, where you have read from last line of page 11.
my lord, I will do that. That our firm coming, Bhalukung in spite submitting supply bills on regular intervals in the office of so-and-so, have not received any payments from the said office till date. Considering the same, I, the undersigned RG Bora Road, opened a bank account number.
Here you are making a statement that it is you who has opened that account. This you have to clarify.
My lord, this account is, my lord, there is an error in the statement. This account is that fake account where these 4 checks have been
But
deposited.
you are saying that you have opened that account.
My lord, the second, yes, my lord is correct, my lord. In the second sentence, my lord, that on inquiry, it has further come to light that the said bank account has been operated by one Madhurya Das,
Yes.
and the said amount has been credited through the aforesaid 4 checks was later on transferred from through bank RTGS to the respective personal bank accounts of Prakash Agarwala and his son Ishan Agarwala.
Madhurya Das is your employee.
Madhurya Das is that other petitioner's employee. I do not know him. I did not know him also till then. I
No,
can,
no, if it is your account, how Madhurya Das can operate it?
Okay, may I look? Here we look into the FIR lordship. The account number that is in Tinsukia branch lordship coming in page 11 lordship. Second para lordship. Last line lordship. Coming engineering, Halukpung maintain at State Bank of India Tinsukia branch, so and so lordship. And same were also credited into. But in the CD lordship, there is another account lordship in the same name. Coming engineering, proprietor name is dear lordship.
What is it? Don't give it to me.
Lordship.
What is the account number?
Account number is 71976
492.
492.
492. That is my query.
That is lordship.
My query is in the FIR, the
Okay.
first informant has mentioned that coming
State Bank lordship. it is.
Coming Engineering has an
Okay.
account number which starts from 3195.
Lordship.
But when they did not receive the check, the petitioner opened
Actually-
another account
Lordship.
in which now you are saying that it is a fake account, but you have yourself said that you opened that account.
My lord, in the FIR, there is an anomaly. It should have been considered same. Actually, he came to know that this bank account is open. Anomaly is there. I accept that. But there is no, so far as the informant is concerned, I have also produced that bank account, and then his photograph and his person's signature is also there. In the second sentence, it makes it clear that on inquiry, it further came to light that a said account has been operated by one Madhurya Das. This makes it clear along with that bank account form, which I have already produced, and the bank statement, which is with me. Eto kar account? Eto kar? And the money transaction, my lord, that statement also, I have a copy if this honorable court requires, my lord.
Now, whether Mr. Das, whether custodial detention of Madhurya and other petitioners are necessary.
So in my humble submission, lordship, the whole amount has not been recovered yet, lordship. It has been taken out, the money. So trail has to be needed, lordship.
My lord, that amount is not disputed, that amount was not received by us.
They are
Amount is-
admitting that they have taken that amount
They have,
because, because
I
you
think
authorized
back-
them. You authorized them to receive
Yes.
that.
That's a forced
But in
signature
the
which I have said.
They deposited in the fake account, lordship, not in the original account, not in Tinsukia. It is in Guwahati, lordship. And in that account, through that account, they have transported it to siphoned off to another account of this Pawan Agarwal, lordship. Prakash Agarwal.
my lord, the vital fact they has not disclosed regarding the agreement and authorization letter that was given in the FIR lordship. They have very categorical lordship mentioned in the second paragraph that the pertinent to mention herein that the work of the opposite firm so and so is also looked after by one part-time employee, namely Prakash Agarwal. Part-time employee, namely Prakash Agarwal. In fact, the entire work has been carried out by Prakash Agarwal.
But
Because the
authority has
am-
not been given, lordship.
To take
No
money.
authority has been given, only oral
No,
may be
no,
there.
I
They-
have
they
I have
have
annexed the
produced
authority letter.
Why-
Authority of Prakash Agarwal given by, what is the informant's name?
Coming and
No,
engineering.
this, informant's name.
And, Sandeep
Sandeep
Garodia.
Garodia
Garodia.
has not given any letter of authority,
Yes,
lordship, power of attorney, lordship, to take out this money.
My lord,
Moreover, lordship, if I may,
Now, that is the subject matter of investigation
Will
because
not-
there is an authorization letter signed by,
which I say it is fake, my lord.
lordship,
it
in
may
this,
be fake.
here,
There are two things here, my lord. One is what my lords has questioned, my lord, whether the custodial detention is necessary. Before that question, my lord, I pose one question to myself for consideration, whether a person who has approached this honorable court not making not placing correct factual statements to his knowledge, whether he is entitled to a relief in exercise of discretionary
No, what
powers, my lord.
statement they have made falsely?
My lord, that that he is not the proprietor. He says he's the proprietor. Madhvija Das says he's the proprietor of Cumming Engineering.
Okay, okay.
And my lord, that twists the whole issue. If he's the proprietor, then he has correctly taken it. He did not say that and Madhvija Das, from where from he collects from the department? Being a representative, can one take money from the department? You have not come and stated
My lord,
correctly.
If
There,
you-
in factually, there are many things, but for the purpose of bail, I'm just pointing out these two things.
Okay.
And I have also stated that they came to threaten me
Moreover,
after the interim.
Who?
Yes.
Who, Madhurjo? Who came? to-
Both.
Where is the proof, lordship? There is a remedy.
Moreover,
There is a remedy. He should approach the authority concerned.
Lordship, may I?
Just one query.
Yeah.
Have you filed any FIR?
Yes, we filed an FIR against the department also for giving them the checks. We
No,
filed
no,
for
no,
them
no, no.
for threatening.
Second, so,
For threatening. My lord, I am actually threatened. I'm actually threatened. And
No, that is not the answer to my query.
my lord, that is a fact that I'm placing. I'm actually threatened. And I said, if this is it, it's very crucial that you lodge an FIR. He has been threatened to withdraw these FIRs. Otherwise, he said that you cannot come to Guwahati. This is the threat, my lord, after the interview. And my lord, someone who can, and good sum of money for threatening me and for coercing me to withdraw the FIR. It's not a small money. And if that money can be sent to us to threaten and to withdraw that how much money must have been spent to make this, how come the bank account was opened? That is one big question, my lord.
And the times.
And it is a bank fraud. And this copy also that we have been given, it was
No,
only an incident.
No, now at this stage, very simply, few questions are to be considered by me. They are already on interim bail, whether they have complied with the conditions of bail or not. Madhurjo Das seems to have not complied with the condition of bail, and whether their custodial detention is necessary for fair completion of investigation.
Very correct, my lord. This third angle comes in when I enter,
Whether
when
they-
I enter and say that
Whether they have threatened you.
yes, threatened me and they gave false affidavit on the basis of which this honorable court was inclined to give them interim bail. If what I am stating today was there before this honorable court on the first day, this honorable court may not have been inclined to give them interim bail.
My lord, I am sorry to
Where
say.
where is your objection?
My lord, my objection in both the cases I have filed.
No, in one case I have received.
Yes,
In
of course.
Madhurjo case. Long lordship affidavit. Objection.
Because I have brought in all the facts so that I don't suppress any facts.
Okay.
At paragraph 18,
My lord, while considering the bail application.
No, let her,
Whether-
let her. talk.
paragraph 18,
Yes.
paragraph 23, and my lord, if I may also point out, my lord, when this bank fraud was, it came out, because when we filed the FIR, we did not know about this bank account. In the investigation, it has also come to light that the address given by them, that house number and that some house number has been given, that house is not there only in that place. This is the way bank account has been opened. And when you're opening the bank account nowadays, even when this Tinsukia branch was open, the proprietor had to come physically to give his signature. And here, no proprietor, no attorney holder and bank account has been opened. This is something very serious. It's come under the PMLA, in fact, my lord, if I may say. And this money has been siphoned off, and it is not small money, my lord. From paragraph 18, 19, 20, up to paragraph
Okay, I will go through.
up to paragraph 25 at least. And I leave it to my lord, but perhaps normally when we say that we have got interim, even my lord, I also appear on the other side, and if I have joined the investigation, normally my lord is always inclined to make the bail absolute. But wherein I'm not stating correct facts and I'm hiding facts, discretionary relief, my lord, I leave it to my lord, I'm so sorry.
Anything?
If
Mr.
I have to point out, my lordship, there are materials, lordship, otherwise.
Against Madhurya Das.
Madhurya Das also, Pawan Agarwal, Prakash Agarwal also, lordship.
Prakash Agarwala has appeared before.
Lordship,
His
appear.
statements are recorded.
Statements recorded. The CD itself. His
Whether
statement-
Prakash Agarwala also threatened you?
Yes, both. my lord.
How?
He sent people with money and threatened that you take this money and we withdraw.
No,
As-
whether he approached you, he met you, or
Yes, he means not he in person, not both in person. Both of them, they
where,
said
where,
their
where,
people, my lord.
where have you mentioned regarding threatening in your affidavit?
Yeah, tell you. Yeah, tell. Yeah, tell.
Paragraph 30.
Only threatening part you may read. Only, what have you mentioned? You may read it.
My lord, paragraph I have stated, my lord, that the accused being influential people and skilled offenders, in the event the petitioners are released on anticipatory bail, the investigation shall be prejudiced and witness shall be influenced, intimidated, and evidence tampered. It may be stated herein that in the meantime, the accused have put up people to pressurize withdrawal of the FIR with various influences and threat. The informant has been threatened of consequences if the FIR is not withdrawn. Thus, the accused as well as the other accused is taking advantage of the interim bail granted to the accused and misusing the privilege of interim bail.
No, you have not, if you are threatened, you have not specified when have you been threatened, how you have been threatened, on which date. You have made a general statement.
My lord, this general statement is also to cover to save my skin, my lord. Actually, I'm that threatened. Else, my lord, I had advised of lodging an FIR. I said you lodge an FIR and then we will link that FIR with this case. But he's very much threatened, my lord.
Okay.
And my lord will kindly appreciate one fact. I know making a general statement anybody can make, but coupled with the fact to open a account, bank account, it is not an easy job to open a fake account. And if a fake account is opened, my statement at paragraph 30 is find support. It is not at all easy, my lord, to open a fake account, giving a fake address. And let this report be brought whether that bank account address is actually available, because the police informed us that it is not there.
Okay, Mr. Das, you give the case diary to me.
And
Case diary.
Okay.
Heard Mr. A.M. Khan,
Yes, can I-
learned, heard Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. K.K. Basho and
Okay,
Ms.
that's what.
K. Das and Ms. B. Goyal, who is assisting the learned additional public prosecutor. Let this case be listed for delivery of order on Monday. Monday I will deliver both the cases.
My objection will be recorded.
Everything will be recorded.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary.
My lord, last time they directed me to file one affidavit, my lord, additional affidavit bringing some, I have received it yesterday, all the original documents.
You need some time.
Yes, madam. And in the meantime, Lordship has also called a report from the police officials, madam.
Whether that report has come.
I apologize, Lordship, not come.
I received all the original, my lord, documents yesterday. That is why I was unable, my lord, to do it.
You
My
talk
lord,
to OC Bajari
I
Chera.
have asked, Lordship, but they have switched off in the morning. So,
On the next day, you inform me.
okay, Lordship.
Third, Mr. M.A. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the applicant who seek some more time for filing an additional affidavit, which was allowed to be filed by him by order dated 21/5/2024. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has received all the documents, necessary documents for filing the additional affidavit
yesterday.
only yesterday, and therefore some time is prayed for the same. On the other hand, learned additional public prosecutor has also submitted that the officer in charge of Bajari Chera police station has not submitted the report as regards the fact as to whether Babai Goswai and Mintu Gusai are the names of one and the same person. Learned additional public prosecutor is requested to procure the said information
On 12th.
from the officer in charge of the Bajari Chera police station and let this court know about the same on the next date fixed. Let this case be listed again on
Lordship, I want written, Lordship, so I am taking time, Lordship. Otherwise,
when
on Lordship, 13, Lordship, if possible, Lordship.
13, madam.
on 13th,
Lordship, I want written, that is why, Lordship.
I'll
Oh.
file my affidavit by Monday.
before
madam.
13,
Lord,
on 13/6/2024.
much obliged.
Much.
Thirteen.